Hi scholars, so today we are going to do our skills unit 2 lesson 9. We're going to start off with our warm-up exercise. That's when we're blending our sounds together to make words. Then we'll also keep practicing blending with our mystery picture exercise. Then we'll do a adding sounds activity, and then I'll show you what you're doing for your drawing time for your independent work. So let's start off with our blending exercise. So we know blending is important because as good readers, we blend sounds together. And we've been using our arms to help us blend these sounds. So I'm going to say the sounds broken apart using my arm. You're going to repeat them after me, then blend the sounds together, okay? All right, let's get ready. Holding up my arm, our first word. K, I, S. You say it. I, kiss. Good job. Next one. If. You say it. If. Together it's sip. You say it. Good job. Ape. Ape. Blend it together. Shape. Awesome. Next one. Tom. Blend it together. Tom. Awesome. Let's try on the other side. Oat. You say it. Oat. Coat. Good job. Nut. Nut. Good. Two more. Zoom. Zoom. Awesome. Last one, friends. Like. Awesome job. You can shake your arms up. They may be a little tired from holding them up. Good job. Good job blending those sounds together. Next, we're going to do a mystery picture activity that we've done a couple times. So I'm going to say a word that's broken apart or segmented, and you're going to think in your head, what is this word put back together? Again, continuously practice our blending to become better readers. I need to know what a word is broken apart and put back together. So I'm going to use my head to do that, and I'm going to show us the picture. So thinking in your head, what word is rose? Rose. You're thinking in your head, rose. You are correct. Good job. Next one. Mouth. Mouth. Think in your head. What's that word put back together? Mouth. Mouth. If you were thinking mouth, good job. Okay, next one. Wave. Wave. What's that word? If you're thinking wave, good job. The word is wave. Next one. Shell. Shell. Put the sounds together in your head. Shell. Word is shell. Awesome job. Two more. Mouse. Mouse. Together the word is mouse. Awesome job, scholars. Last one. Knife. 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 Awesome. If you got all those correct, give yourself a big round of applause. Good job, friends. Awesome. Good job blending those sounds together in your head. So the next activity we're going to do is called adding a sound. So before we were focusing in our previous lessons a lot on the beginning sound. Remember, beginning is the very first sound I hear. We also have an ending sound. You say ending sound. So the ending sound is the last sound I hear or the last sound I say in a word. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one word and make it a new word by adding a sound to the end, okay? So again, I'm going to say some words to us, and I'm going to add a sound to the end to make it a new word. So I can have the word lie, you say it. Again, lie, you say it. I'm going to add a sound to the end and change the word from lie to life. Everyone say life. Good job. I'm going to take that same word, lie. This time I'm going to put a sound at the end. So now I'm going to say lime, lime. Now put it together, the word is lime. Everyone say lime. Good job. Okay, still taking that word lie. This time I'm going to put a sound. It's a little different between and I'm going to use So now the word is line, line. And I put it together, it's line. Okay, good job, friends. I'm going to now change up our word. I'm going to change it up. I'm going to start with the word say. Everyone say say. Again, I'm going to add a sound to the end. So now it's say, safe. I put together the word is safe. You say safe. Good job. Again, taking that word say. This time I'm going to add a sound to the end. So same, same. If I put it together, that word is same. You say it. Good job, same. Last one. Again, I'm going to take my word say. This time I'm going to add a move sound to the end. So save, save. If I put it together, that word is save. You say save. Good job, scholars. You're so silent. Cheers for creating new words. Awesome. Again, we created new words just by adding a sound to the end. Awesome job. So last thing for our skills unit, or our skills lesson, I'm going to show you what workbook page you're going to do. So during your independent work time, you're going to do workbook page 9.1. So that's this page. Instead of doing a cane like we did last time, we're just going to flip it the other way, and we're going to draw what's called a hook. So again, on your page, you're going to start at the star. You're going to trace your hooks down, adding hooks to the end of these fishing lines. You're going to add a hook. And you'll do this front page. And you'll do the back. And remember, you'll take a picture of your workbook page and submit it for Monday. Again, you're going to take a picture of your page 9.1, front and back, and submit it for Monday. Okay, scholars, I hope you have a good rest of your day.